Morning. Good morning, and it's currently 7:44 a.m. Tell me why this auntie decided to wake up early. She woke up 7 o'clock, and now that she's awake, I have to also stay awake. I'm feeling a little bit sleepy, but it's okay. I still have some things to do to record some content, as well as not record some content. I have some editing to do. So I have a video going out today that I have not completed the editing. So I'll just work on that while she does her playtime. And I won't blame her for waking up early because at least she slept early yesterday. At 7:10 p.m. she was already down for bed. So that makes sense. At least 12 hours of sleep. I'll take that. So spend the day with me, and I hope I'm able to continue these vlogs. When I go with confidence, when I go with roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum, throw it back then rotation. Figure it's in the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. Kiss, kiss. Mwah. From side, your skin is glowing. One thing that I really love is Vaga. I can pour enough moisturizer on her face. It cannot be ashy. You gotta glow, girl. Glow, baby, glow. Yeah. Mwah. Hi, Gigi. Hey, you. So yesterday I was supposed to start this whole vlogging thing, but
I was so tired. I could feel it in my bones. And I was so tired. Every part of my body was just hurting. So I didn't do too much yesterday. I just posted my regular content on YouTube. And then I was like, you know what? I started the whole vlog thing, but it felt overwhelming. I don't know. It just felt kind of overwhelming for me. So I was like, I was going to stop it and try again today because this is going to be like my trial period for weekly vlogs. So help me God. Hey? That's good. So that àwọn èèyàn lè wọ̀ fún tí a máa tà yín bá ti cancel lẹ́rìí. Okay. Yeah, not bad. See my fine sister. Shy. They say we look alike. Do we? Do we look alike? Do we look alike? Jump up in the comments.